Hey friends, welcome back to Edutech, where learning English is fun, easy, and full of confidence. Today, we're learning powerful sentences to impress your colleagues and friends. The kind of English that makes you sound smart and professional. So stay with me till the end, because every sentence you learn today will bring you one step closer to fluent, confident English. Let's begin your journey to smart speaking, only on Edutech.
Welcome to Edutech, your daily English learning partner.
You made my day. You made my day. That's so thoughtful of you. That's so thoughtful of you. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. That sounds exciting. That sounds exciting. You've got a great vibe. You've got a great vibe. I really value your opinion. I really value your opinion. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. You're such a positive person. You're such a positive person. That's a brilliant idea. That's a brilliant idea. You always bring good energy. You always bring good energy. I was just about to say that. I was just about to say that. You read my mind. You read my mind. That's exactly what I was thinking. That's exactly what I was thinking. You nailed it. You nailed it. That's spot on. That's spot on. You always know the right thing to say. You always know the right thing to say. That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. You're such a great listener. You're such a great listener. I couldn't have said it better myself. I couldn't have said it better myself. You always inspire me. You always inspire me. That's so cool. That's so cool. You look stunning today. You look stunning today. I love your confidence. I love your confidence. You have a great sense of style. You have a great sense of style. You make everything look easy. You make everything look easy. That's a nice way to put it. That's a nice way to put it. You've got a point there. You've got a point there. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. That's what I was about to say. That's what I was about to say. You always think ahead. You always think ahead. That's a smart move. That's a smart move. You're full of good ideas. You're full of good ideas. That's really thoughtful. That's really thoughtful. You have such a calm presence. You have such a calm presence. You're so easy to talk to. You're so easy to talk to. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. Thanks for always being there. Thanks for always being there. That's exactly what I needed. That's exactly what I needed. You always make me smile. You always make me smile. That's so motivating. That's so motivating. That's such a clever idea. That's such a clever idea. You made it look effortless. You made it look effortless. You have such a great attitude. You have such a great attitude.
You always know how to make people smile. You always know how to make people smile. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. You're such a good problem solver. You're such a good problem solver. I love how you explain things. I love how you explain things. That's exactly what I was hoping for. That's exactly what I was hoping for. You have a brilliant mind. You have a brilliant mind. That's a great way to put it. That's a great way to put it. You make everything sound so easy. You make everything sound so easy. You've got great communication skills. You've got great communication skills. That's such a refreshing perspective. That's such a refreshing perspective. You always come up with great ideas. You always come up with great ideas. That's very impressive. That's very impressive. You're improving every single day. You're improving every single day. I love your enthusiasm. I love your enthusiasm. That's a wonderful approach. That's a wonderful approach. You're such a fast learner. You're such a fast learner. That's a creative solution. That's a creative solution. You always stay calm under pressure. You always stay calm under pressure. That's exactly what we needed. That's exactly what we needed. You always give your best. You always give your best. That's really helpful, thank you. That's really helpful, thank you. You've got great leadership skills. You've got great leadership skills. That's such a powerful thought. That's such a powerful thought. You always bring new ideas to the table. You always bring new ideas to the table. That's a fantastic example. That's a fantastic example. You're always so well prepared. You're always so well prepared. That's a very practical idea. That's a very practical idea. You handle things so gracefully. You handle things so gracefully. That's a sign of true professionalism. That's a sign of true professionalism. You always notice the little details. You always notice the little details. That's a confident response. That's a confident response. You've got a positive mindset. You've got a positive mindset. That's a great observation. That's a great observation. You always think outside the box. You always think outside the box. That's such an elegant way to say it. That's such an elegant way to say it. You make people feel comfortable. You make people feel comfortable. That's really inspiring. That's really inspiring. You're doing an incredible job. You're doing an incredible job. That's something I'll definitely remember. That's something I'll definitely remember. You've got an amazing attitude. You've got an amazing attitude. That's so thoughtful and kind. That's so thoughtful and kind. You always give such honest advice. You always give such honest advice. That's exactly how it should be. That's exactly how it should be. You've got excellent timing. You've got excellent timing. That's a smart observation. That's a smart observation. You're so good with words. You're so good with words. That's what makes you special. That's what makes you special. You always find a way to make it work. You always find a way to make it work. That's truly impressive. That's truly impressive.
Wow, you did an awesome job today. Keep listening every day. And in just 30 days, you'll speak English like a pro. Don't forget, your one click can help your friends and family learn English for free. So hit subscribe, like, and share, and let's grow together with Edutech.